CamSur Representative LRay Villafuerte defended the distribution of these face shields to his constituents. The boxes of the face shield had the photos of Villafuerte and his sons Luigi and Governor Mix. The lawmaker stressed these are donations. And no public fund was used. The Villafuertes have been busy visiting various barangays in the province, bringing relief aid to residents affected by recent calamities. In defending the face shields, Villafuerte slammed this netizen for a post on social media.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.